Hi everyone, in this video we will create a R diagram online using draw.io. Okay, so to create that, first of all we will come draw.io to this website of.diagram.net. okay, that has loaded, so it will give a message at first. Okay, you can change, this is the device. Okay, you can change, for example, it means where you would like to save your diagrams. I selected device. Okay, I will save on my own device, but you can select Google Drive or GitHub in any other places. So let's create new diagram. So after that, these are the diagrams that you would like to create. Okay, we will select blank one, and here we will assign a name to our file, ER diagram. It's this blank one, so press this create button. It will create and the document will be saved here, ER diagram. Let's save it. That has saved, and this area has opened for us. Okay, so now let's come to open our entity relationship diagram. This is the general. Close this one and come here down to the entity relationship. Okay, this one, press this one, and you will see all the relationship diagram related properties. Okay, components. So these are the entities that we would like to draw. Okay, whenever you move your cursor, that will be showed on the right side to you. Okay, entity, weak entity, and attributes, key attributes, derived attributes. These are the relationships. Okay, all diagrams you can. Okay, so now let's create an AR diagram. First of all, let's create an entity. Okay, this is an entity with us, and let's double click on this, and you can change the name of this hotel. Okay, and simply whenever you come here to this dot, okay, and the right side you see this arrow, and whenever you move your cursor to that, you can draw these shapes. Okay, all of these. For example, let's press this. It will create another AR entity for us. Let's remove this by pressing backspace or delete. So that has deleted, and let's move this and name it rooms. Okay, so this is the entity which has created. Also you can click again on this one, it will take that. Let's name it customer. Press this one. So now to take the relationship, okay, between these. So for the relation, these are the relations. Okay, relationship, associative relationship, and also identifying relationship. So now we need this one. Okay, let's take this one and make it smaller, and we will take another one. Okay, let's press this one, remove this line. One should be here, the second one should be here. Let's name it as. Okay, and also second one would be here, reserve. So this is the relationships that we have created. Before that, let's assign attributes, okay, to our entities. So for the attributes, these are the attributes. Okay, for example, let's first of all assign an attribute to this. This would be the name of hotel, and let's copy this. This would be the address, and let's take just a simple line. Okay, to link that here, and copy that and paste that, simply like this. Okay, so now let's take the attributes for our customer. So for the customer, we will take different. Okay, also we need a key attribute, that would be ID with us, and we need a multi-valued attribute. Let's come here to multi-value attribute. This is multi-valued attribute. That is spoon, maybe he has one or more than one numbers. And let's take a derived attribute. The derived attribute is the age. Okay, that is derived from date of birth, and let's make it smaller, and also this one, also this one. Let's make it double, attribute, that would be address, and this would be name, and you can add many attributes. Okay, these are the attributes for this. Let's add for the room. Room number, and you can add more attributes to this. So now let's make these relationships. Okay, the hotel and the rooms has one-to-many relationship. Okay, so let's come here. This is one-to-many relationship. Okay, this one, these are other types of relationships. So let's press this one. Take here. Okay, let's simply click, take this one. Sorry, we should take just one. Actually we should take this one. Okay, for that remove this. Yeah, that has one-to-many relationship. We can separate them, and also to make relationship between these, it is also a customer, based on our requirement, a customer can reserve only one room. Okay, so for that let's take this one. Bring it here, and let's make it can make it like this. Okay, yeah, it is one-to-one relationship. Let's make it also, first let's take this one, draw it here and it here, this one, so to make these groups, okay, to make these all as a group, so select all of them. Okay, after selecting, right click. Okay, press this select group. Okay, they all are as group. Okay, these are all work as a group. Okay, you can ungroup them also. So now let's save it. So this is, just press this save button, that has saved. Okay, I have saved it in the documents. Let's come here to the documents, and here we have ER diagram.io, but to save it as an image, let's save as, and here I will name it ER diagram, and let's change the format, that PNG. Okay, save it, that has saved. Let's come here, and we have that here. See, that has saved. Okay, like this is our diagram, ER diagram. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.